So students, in question number 3, if second term of NAP is 7 and its fifth term is 16, find its 11th term. Here we given value of A2, second term A2 equal to 7 and A5 equal to 16. Here we use formula of nth term. A n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here we given to find out A11. For this, we write formula of find nth term A n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Where value of A n equal to 2. Value of A not given. Where n equal to how much? 2 minus 1 and D is not given. Then value of A2 how much? 7 A plus 2 minus 1 how much? D. This equation known as first equation. Now we have put value for A5 in this formula. Value of A5 how much? 16 equal to value of A not given plus value of n how much? 5 minus 1 into value of D is not given. Then 16 equal to A plus 5, 1 subtracted from 5, we got 4 into D, 4D. This is known as equation 2. Now we solve the equation by elimination method. Rewrite this equation together. A plus D equal to 7, equation first, and A plus 4D equal to 16, equation second. By elimination method, we subtract equation second from first. Therefore, we change the sign of second equation. Positive signs we negative, for positive negative, for 16 is positive given, their mark is negative. Then A2 A cancelled. There we got minus 3D. Because big number is 4, and here we got subtract 7 from 16. 7 from 16, how much we got? 9 minus 9. Because we take sign of big number. Then D equal to how much? Minus 9 upon minus 3. Minus 2 minus 10, 3 minus 3, 3 3 is 9. The value of D equal to 3. Now put the value of D in equation first. We rewrite equation first. A plus D equal to 7. Now put the value of D. A plus value of D how much? 3 equal to 7. Then A equal to 7 plus 3 minus 3. Then A equal to 4. Now we have value of D and value of A. By use these values, we find out the 11th term of AP. We rewrite the formula for nth term A n equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. Then a value of n how much? 11 equal to value of a. Here we find out 4 plus value of n 11 minus 1 and value of d how much? We find out here 3. Then a11 equal to 4 plus 1 subtracted from 11 we got 10 into 3. Then a11 equal to 4 plus 10 3 is 30 or 3 10 is 30. Now we add 4 and 30. How much we got? 34. Answer. Now you can take a screenshot. Now we erase this question. Question number 4. Find the sum of first 17 terms of AP 4, 7, 11, 4, 7, 10, 11, 13. 4, 7, 10, 13. Here we given first term of AP is 4 and common difference D is 7 minus 4 how much? 3. 10 minus 7 we got also 3 and 13 minus 10 we also got 3. So therefore common difference be 3. Now the formula to find out sum is Sn. Sum of AP for sum of AP is Sn equal to n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 D. Here we given which term find 17 terms. The value of n is also given 17. So therefore S17 equal to value of n 17 by 2 into value of a how much? 4 plus value of n 17 minus 1 value of d how much? 3. Then S17 equal to 17 by 2 4 to the how much? 8 plus 1 subtracted from 17 we got 16 into 3. Then S17 equal to how much? 17 by 2 8 plus multiply 16 by 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 1 is 3 and carry 1 how much? 4. 48. Now S17 equal to 17 upon 2 the sum of multiply. Here we put the mark of multiply to open bracket. Sum of 48 at 8. 8 16 carries 1, 56. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 8 are 16. Then is 17 equal to 17 into 28. 5 multiplied 8 7 is how much? 56. 8 7 is 56. Here is 5. 8 1 is 8 and 5 13. 2 7 is 14. Here is 1. 2 1 is 2 and 1 3. 6 7 4. Therefore, a 17 equal to how much? 476 answer.
Right.
Students, in question number 5, we say here an AP given here AP 4 7 10 13 94. Find the numbers of terms of given AP and also find the sum of AP's terms. So here we given in this we see here the first term of AP is A is 4 and common difference DV how much? 7 minus 4 3, 10 minus 7 3, 13 minus 10 also 3, therefore common difference be 3. And here also given the last term 94 AN. Last term L equal to AN equal how much? 94. To find out the sum of given APs, we require value of N, which is not given here. To find the value of N, we use the last term or nth terms formula AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. The value of AN how much we given? Value of last term or nth term we 94. Here we put the 94 equal to value of A how much? 4 plus value of N not given and value of D how much? 3. Then 94 plus 4 minus 4 equal to N minus 1 3. Subtract 4 from 94 we got 90 upon 3 equal to remaining N minus 1. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 0 0. Then 30 equal to how much? N minus 1. And 30 then minus 1 plus 1 equal to N. The value of N how much? 31. Now we find the sum of given AP. Sn equal to, because here we given last term, therefore we use the another formula of sum of APs. Sn equal to ny2 A plus L, because here last term we given. Therefore S value of N how much? 31 equal to value of N 31 upon 2. The value of A how much? 4 plus value of last term is 94 then 31 upon 2 is 31 equal to 8. 4 in 94, how much we got? 98. 4 plus 4, 8, 9 to 9. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 9 is 18. Now multiply, is 31 equal to, now we multiply, now 49, 31. Then 1 9 is 9, 1 4 is 4, and 3 9 is 27, carries 2, 3 4 is 12, plus 2 how much? 14. Then here we got how much? 9, 11 carries 1, 5, 1. Answer. Now you can take the screenshot. Thanks for learning APS.